everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to revise some questions for MNS 2020. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, we are going to discuss some general knowledge questions. First question is, which of the following is the best fuel in terms of energy released per gram of fuel? Options: hydrogen, methane, ethanol and butane. Its correct answer is option A, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the best fuel in terms of energy released per gram of fuel. Now the second, who has been appointed as the new Union Health Secretary? Preeti Sudhan, Rajesh Bhushan, D.R.J. Meena, Arun Sen. Its correct answer is option B, Rajesh Bhushan. And here is the image of Rajesh Bhushan. Now the next, Sunita Lakra, who announced her retirement recently, is famous Indian player of which sport? Hockey, tennis, cricket, badminton. Its correct answer is option A, hockey. Now moving on to the next question. This is the image of Sunita Lakra. Now the next, Panama Canal opened in 1914 links. पनामा कैनाल जो है वो नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड साउथ अमेरिका के बीच में है और इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है कि वो कौन से दो ओशन या फिर कौन से दो सी को लिंक करता है. इन दी ऑप्शंस आर रेड सी एंड मेडिटेरेनियन सी, अटलांटिक ओशन एंड पैसिफिक ओशन, इंडियन ओशन एंड पैसिफिक ओशन, एड्रियाटिक सी एंड ब्लैक सी. इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अटलांटिक ओशन एंड पैसिफिक ओशन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, name largest desert of Asia. Thar, Gobi, Karakoram, Sahara. Its correct answer is option B, Gobi. Gobi is the largest desert in Asia. It lies in northwestern China and southern Mongolia. Okay. Now moving on to the next. The Pico Island is located in Switzerland, Portugal, Turkey, and Egypt. Its correct answer is option B, Portugal. Portugal क्या है? Portugal एक यूरोपियन कंट्री है. इसका जो कैपिटल है वो है लिप्सन. Okay, point to be noted. Now the next, the south pole of the earth is located in Norway, Antarctica, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Its correct answer is option B, Antarctica. Now the next, the deepest trench of the world, the Mariana Trench, is located in the Mariana Trench वर्ल्ड का deepest trench है वो कहाँ है? इंडियन ओशन में, अटलांटिक ओशन में, आर्टिक ओशन और पैसिफिक ओशन. Its correct answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Now moving on to the next question. The famous lagoon lake in India is Dal Lake, Chilka Lake, Pulicat Lake, Mansarovar. Its correct answer is option B, Chilka Lake. Now the next. Now we are going to discuss some questions of science. Our first question is, longest muscle of the human body? Sartorius, serratus anterior, gluteus maximus, stapedius. Its correct answer is option A, sartorius. क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया था लॉन्गेस्ट मसल, और एक और क्वेश्चन ऐसे से मिलता आता है कि लार्जेस्ट मसल ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी, तब हमारा आंसर होगा ग्लूटस मैक्सिमस. लार्जेस्ट ग्लूटस मैक्सिमस है एंड लॉन्गेस्ट sartorius है. दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ sartorius muscle, the longest muscle of the human body, and this is the image of gluteus maximus. This is the largest muscle of human body. So the longest is sartorius muscle and the largest is gluteus maximus. Now the next question, total number of ribs in our body is 12, 36, 24, 28. Its correct answer is option C, 24. टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिब्स 24 है. अगर पेयर में पूछा जाए तो 12 पेयर है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, प्यूरीन बेसिस ऑफ DNA are ANG, ANC, ANU, TNU. Here A stands for adenine, G stands for guanine, T for thymine and U for uracil. जो हमारा डीएनए है वो कंसिस्ट बना होता है प्यूरीन एंड पायरामिडीन बेसिस से एंड प्यूरीन बेसिस में हमारे एडेनिन एंड ग्वानिन आते हैं, पायरामिडीन में थायमिन, यूरासिल एंड साइटोसिन आते हैं. ओके तो यहाँ पे पूछा है प्यूरीन बेसिस ऑफ डीएनए, दे आर एडेनिन एंड guanine. So answer will be option A and G. Now the next question. The number of maximum electron in N shell is 2, 8, 18, 32. Its correct answer is option D, 32. Now the next question. The yellow color of urine is due to presence of bile, lymph, cholesterol, urochrome. Its correct answer is option D, urochrome. Now the next. Plague is caused by protozoa, virus, bacteria, all of the above. Its correct answer is option C, bacteria. It is caused by bacteria Yersinia pestis. Now the next. Vinegar is also known as ethanoic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, tartaric acid. Its correct answer is option A, ethanoic acid, or we can say acetic acid. Moving on to the next question. The causal organism of polio is virus, bacteria, fungi, none of the above. Its correct answer is option A. Polio is caused by virus. Now the next, largest composition of biogas. Carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen sulfide. Its correct answer is option B, मीथेन. मीथेन जो है वो बायोगैस में सबसे ज्यादा अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होती है, देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड देन हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. Instrument used for detecting the presence of electric current in a circuit is refractometer, viscometer, diffractometer, galvanometer. Its correct answer is option D, galvanometer. Galvanometer is used for the detection of current in a circuit. Now the next. Ptyalin enzyme produces from liver, kidney, stomach, salivary glands. Its correct answer is option B, salivary gland. Ptyalin enzyme salivary gland से produce होता है. Now the next, digestion of protein starts from mouth, liver, stomach, pancreas. Its correct answer is stomach. The digestion of protein starts from stomach. Now the next question. Neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick, Ernest Rutherford, J.J. Thomson, John Dalton. Its correct answer is option A, James Chadwick. Now the next. Who provide protection to our stomach from eczema? Bile juice, mucus layer, pepsinogen, rennet. Its correct answer is option B, mucus layer protects our stomach from hydrochloric acid. We will do questions on English. So our first question is preposition पे based है. I accepted the offer dash certain condition and options are on and by within. Here the on preposition will be used. I accepted the offer on certain condition. Now the next. People who are averse dash work generally do not succeed in life. Options to, about, at, on. Its correct answer is 2. People who are averse to hard work generally do not succeed in life. Now the next. The judge acquitted the prisoner dash the charge of murder. Of, about, with, from. Its correct answer is option A, of. The judge acquitted the prisoner of the charge of murder. Now the next. one word substitutions. Okay, a person who believes that pleasure is the chief good is known as hedonist. Now the next, anything written in a letter after it is signed. It is option C, postscript. Now next, strong and settled dislike between two persons. It is animosity. Now synonym. Word is revive. Its meaning is give new strength or energy. And its synonym is option A, invigorate. Now the next word is assorted. Assorted means to combine. Okay, and options are uniform, identical, alike, miscellaneous. Its correct answer is option B, miscellaneous. Now the next word is myriad. Its meaning a countless or extremely great number of people or things. Unginet. Its synonym is legal. Now the next, idioms and phrases. Throw up the sponge. Options are change in future, surrender, active, under suspicion. Throw up the sponge. Its meaning is surrender, to admit defeat or failure. Now the next, bring to the table, to avoid, to kill time, to contribute, to do a favor. Its meaning is to contribute. Now the common errors. Tea which I am drinking is hot. इस सेंटेंस में कहाँ पे एरर है? इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, 1 में. मीन्स कि टी में गलत है, कुछ एरर है. ये एरर क्या है? ये है कि द विल बी यूज्ड बिफोर टी. टी के आगे द का यूज होगा क्योंकि here we are talking about a particular tea. हम एक पर्टिकुलर टी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो कि वो पी रही है, ड्रिंक कर रही है, वो गर्म है. The tea which I am drinking is hot. Now the next, one of the terrorists of the Kashmir Valley are shot dead. इसमें कहाँ एरर? 1 में, 2 में, 3 में या फिर नो एरर? इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, 3 में एरर है. 3 बोले तो आर शॉट डेड में. अब देखिए इसमें क्या गलत है. यहाँ पर जो है आर की जगह वॉज आएगा बिकॉज हम एक पर्टिकुलर टेररिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो सिंगुलर है. वन ऑफ द टेररिस्ट ऑफ द कश्मीर वैली वाज शॉट डेड. ओके, थैंक यू.